Before we begin, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel if you want more content about online business, social media growth, and digital income opportunities. Now imagine this. You're scrolling through TikTok like millions of other people. You see someone reviewing a simple product in a short video. Within seconds, viewers can click a button and buy that product directly inside the app. No website, no complicated checkout process. Just a few taps and the purchase is complete. This is the power of TikTok Shop, and it's quickly becoming one of the biggest opportunities in e-commerce right now. But here's the secret most beginners miss. Success on TikTok Shop isn't about selling random trending products. The real money is made when you build a niche TikTok shop that focuses on a specific audience. When you choose the right niche, you can attract loyal customers, create content more easily, and build a brand that stands out instead of getting lost in the crowd. In this video, we'll walk through exactly how to start a niche TikTok shop step by step, even if you're starting from zero. What is TikTok Shop? TikTok Shop is a built-in e-commerce feature that allows creators and businesses to sell products directly through TikTok videos and live streams. Instead of sending viewers to external websites, TikTok lets users purchase products without leaving the platform. This creates a powerful advantage for sellers because it removes friction from the buying process. When viewers see a product they like, they can immediately tap and purchase it. TikTok has been heavily investing in this feature because social commerce is becoming one of the fastest-growing areas in online shopping. For creators and entrepreneurs, TikTok Shop offers an opportunity to combine content creation with e-commerce. Why choosing a niche is so important, many beginners try to sell everything at once. They jump from one trending product to another without focusing on a specific audience. This approach usually fails because it confuses both viewers and the TikTok algorithm. When you build a niche TikTok shop, you focus on a clear category of products designed for a specific group of people. For example, fitness accessories, skincare products, pet products, home organization tools, kitchen gadgets. When your shop focuses on one niche, your content becomes more targeted. The algorithm learns who your audience is and begins recommending your videos to the right viewers. This dramatically increases your chances of building a successful store. Choose the right niche. The first step to building a niche TikTok shop is selecting a category that has both demand and content potential. Some niches work especially well on TikTok because they are visually engaging and easy to demonstrate in short videos. Examples of strong TikTok shop niches include beauty and skincare, fitness and wellness, home organization, pet accessories, kitchen tools. When choosing a niche, ask yourself 3 important questions. Is there strong demand for these products? Can I create engaging videos about them? Is the niche broad enough to allow multiple products over time? The best niches allow you to build an entire brand rather than relying on one product. Research viral products in your niche. Once you choose a niche, the next step is identifying products that perform well on TikTok. Spend time exploring TikTok using keywords related to your niche. For example, if you choose the fitness niche, search for terms like fitness gadgets, home workout tools, gym accessories. Pay attention to videos that have large numbers of views and engagement. These often reveal products that already attract attention from viewers. You can also explore TikTok Shop's product marketplace to see trending items and top-selling products. The goal is not just finding popular items, but identifying products that solve real problems or create satisfying visual demonstrations in short videos. Create your TikTok Shop account. After choosing a niche and identifying potential products, the next step is setting up your TikTok Shop. You'll need to register as a TikTok seller through the TikTok Shop Seller Center. During the registration process, you will provide basic information about your business and verify your identity. Once your account is approved, you can begin listing products and connecting them to your TikTok videos. TikTok Shop also allows creators to promote products through affiliate partnerships, meaning you can earn commissions without holding inventory. This makes it possible to start selling even if you don't manufacture your own products. Source products. There are several ways to source products for your TikTok shop. One option is working with suppliers or manufacturers who produce items within your niche. Another option is using dropshipping suppliers who ship products directly to customers after each order. Some sellers also use TikTok Shop's affiliate marketplace to promote products from other brands while earning commissions. When selecting products, it's important to consider quality, shipping time, and reliability. A successful TikTok shop depends on customer satisfaction, not just viral content. Create content that demonstrates the product. Content is the engine that drives TikTok shop sales. Without engaging videos, even great products may struggle to gain attention. Successful TikTok shop videos often follow simple formats: problem and solution videos, before and after demonstrations, quick tutorials, product reviews. For example, a home organization product might show a messy drawer before using the product, followed by a clean, organized result afterward. These types of videos capture attention quickly and encourage viewers to imagine using the product themselves. Consistency is extremely important. Posting multiple videos each week increases the chances of reaching new audiences. Use storytelling in your videos. Instead of simply showing products, successful creators tell stories around them. A skincare product might be introduced through a personal story about struggling with skin issues. A kitchen gadget might be presented as a solution to a common cooking frustration. Storytelling helps viewers connect emotionally with the content. When viewers relate to the situation, they are more likely to trust the product recommendation. Take advantage of TikTok Live shopping. TikTok Live is another powerful feature for selling products. During live streams, creators can demonstrate products in real time while interacting directly with viewers. This creates a shopping experience similar to television home shopping channels, but with real-time engagement. Viewers can ask questions, see the product in action, and purchase instantly through the TikTok Shop interface. Many successful TikTok sellers generate significant sales during live sessions because the interactive format builds trust with the audience. Build a community around your niche. A niche TikTok shop works best when it feels like a community rather than just a store. Encourage viewers to comment, ask questions, and share their experiences. Responding to comments and engaging with followers helps build relationships with your audience. When people feel connected to a creator, they are more likely to support the products being promoted. Over time, this loyal audience becomes one of your biggest advantages as a TikTok seller. Analyze and improve your strategy. TikTok provides analytics tools that allow you to track the performance of your content. Pay attention to metrics such as views, watch time, and engagement. These insights can help you understand which types of videos resonate most with your audience. When you identify successful formats, you can create similar content to increase your chances of reaching larger audiences. The most successful TikTok sellers continuously experiment and refine their strategies. Starting a niche TikTok shop is one of the most exciting opportunities in social commerce today. By combining engaging short-form content with a focused product category, creators can build powerful online businesses directly inside the TikTok platform. The key is choosing the right niche, creating consistent content, and building genuine connections with your audience. Instead of chasing every trending product, focus on serving a specific group of people and solving real problems through your products. When you do that consistently, your TikTok shop can grow from a simple idea into a thriving online brand. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content about online business, TikTok growth, and digital income strategies. Also, turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.